I've done the research and compiled a list of the top pressure washers for every budget and need. Whether you're a homeowner looking to tackle tough outdoor cleaning tasks or a professional looking for a durable and reliable tool, we've got you covered. Let's take a look at the best pressure washers on the market. Best gas-powered. The Westinghouse WPX 3200 is a high-performance pressure washer that excels in cleaning capabilities. It has a beastly performance on cleaning tests, a pressure gauge test, and it also has a high cleaning unit score of 5980. However, it is not the most portable pressure washer, weighing around 64 pounds, and it is also one of the loudest pressure washer tested due to its gas-powered engine. It has comfortable hose connections and easy to store nozzle and hose, but it requires regular maintenance like oil changes, gas refills, and carburetor cleaning. The current pricing for this product can be found by clicking the link in the video description below. Best Electric. The Sunjo SPX 3500 is an electric pressure washer that performed well in cleaning tests. The washer had a PSI of 1650 and 1.08 gallons per minute at 15 degrees, resulting in a 1782 calculated cleaning units. It also performed well in the wooden testing apparatus, holding a standard box ball 3 feet up a 24-degree embankment. In terms of portability, the washer scored in the middle of the pack with a weight of 42.6 pounds and large wheels for easy movement on site. The noise level was also low, with 70 decibels measured next to the washer and 65.2 decibels measured 25 feet away. The ease of use score was solid, but the hose and cord storage could be improved. The machine comes with a 35-foot power cord, 4 nozzles, and a large soap dispenser. Overall, the Sunjo SPX 3500 is a solid choice in terms of clean power and noise level, but may be on the bulkier side for portability. To see the up-to-date price of this product, check out the link in the video description below. Best value. The Holson 3000 is a pressure washer that impressed in the subjective carpet cleaning test and is one of the most portable pressure washers in the test. Its cleaning power is average with a PSI of 1,200 and 1.21 gallons per minute measured at 15 degrees, which results in a cleaning units of 1464. It performed below average in the power-based box ball test, but it has a relatively high gallons per minute, which probably explains its impressive performance in the cleaning department. It is lightweight at 16.3 pounds and easy to store with a built-in reel for its hose. It is also one of the easiest pressure washers to use, with quick connection fasteners and easy maintenance. However, it is not as powerful as other models, and its small wheels struggle to tackle rough terrain. In terms of noise, it is quieter than the average when you're right beside it, but comparably louder from a distance. To learn the most recent price of this product, visit the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tech content. See you next time.